Good morning. It is Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. And I think it's around, I don't know, 9:30. So we are all home. My husband and my son are working from home, so I can't be around with the camera as much. And I have lots to clean and organize, so I'm going to take advantage of this date today to do that. I am having such a hard time uploading yesterday's video. I've tried 3 times uploading, and then it just, I'm not even going to go into details, the frustration of trying to upload, and almost at the end it goes back to uploading 2 to 3 hours more. But anyway, so I'm going to actually take a shower before we lose power, because we are usually during storms like this, we lose power here, and we are under a blizzard warning right now. So I'm going to take a shower, wash this hair, and my plan is to finish taking everything down from Christmas, the trees, everything, and then clean. And then I want to get my planners organized, my desk cleaned. I don't know if I'll accomplish all of it, but we're going to try. So let me go get moving so I can start my day. This is what it looks like outside of work. Yeah. It's pretty, but having to try to walk through that pathway there. We had yesterday off, and now heading home, leaving work. Yeah. So I hope you're all doing great. I feel great. It's good. It's a good day. So I am heading to pick up food for the boys who are home from work and school, and I might be bad and pick something up for me as well. Oh well. Alright, the roads are bad, so I'm not going to have my camera on, and I'll see you guys at home, because I have lots of cleaning to do this afternoon, and I don't want to drive because the roads are very, very icy, and I'm just going to go home and try to finish cleaning from Christmas still. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. You guys, I have been home. I had some lunch with the boys. It took me almost an hour to get home. Oh my gosh, my lips look so, I don't know, no color. But anyway, so I went to get some food, some Burger King for the boys, and I grabbed something for myself. Yes, I did. But anyway, so we had lunch, but it took me almost an hour to get home because the roads are nothing but ice. And this is what it looks outside. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's, I mean, everything is ice. We obviously did a walkway for the doggy, but everything is ice. Oop. But it is what it is, right? It's where we live. So I am relaxing just for a little bit. I am going to, I really got to get my Christmas stuff, the trees down. I really do. And so much cleaning to do. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee right now, and hopefully that gives me the boost that I need to actually get this house cleaned. I don't want to spend all day cleaning tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get some done. Let me make my cup of coffee. This thing, you guys, this machine, you guys, was such a good gift that I got. I am literally in love with this. And the frother comes aside. I'm making myself a latte, and let's see if this girl kind of gets some energy. This is the frother. Look how amazing that looks. All right, let's see. All right, let me do this before I burn myself or waste any of it. Look at that. Delicious. Right. Let me see if I can get somewhere. Again, having a hard time speaking today, as always. Let's see if I am going to have some energy after this. This is my mug. I got this with my FabFitFun box, winter box. You guys, this is so, so good. Sorry. So I had my coffee, and yeah, I'm gonna get some work done in this house. I don't want to spend my whole day tomorrow taking down Christmas stuff. So I'm still on my work clothes, and I'm gonna stay this way because it was Friday, so it's a bit casual. So I don't know why I have my arm like this, but yeah. Let's go. Okay, now we're focusing. I promise you this does not look that bad. Okay, so it is Saturday, 8:41 p.m. and I did not vlog all day today. It was a crazy day, let me tell you. So I woke up feeling a little down. I don't know. Just one of those days. Sometimes you're just exhausted and it just gets to you. I think it's because I'm so overwhelmed with so much I had to do. And I have a very busy week ahead of me. So I swear I can't focus because it looks like I had lip injections, but I promise you I didn't. It's just really dry lips, and I put moisturizer on. I'm laughing at my own, at myself looking on my camera. Oh my gosh, seriously. Maybe I shouldn't say I got lip injections. No, I'm only kidding. I don't need that. So, so we started off with it being very busy, and started off like just, I don't know, just not feeling the greatest. Not health-wise, but just, you know. Anyway, so then my husband and I, we went out and ran some errands, and then had to rush home because we got our dryer today. That was another challenge we encountered. So they were supposed to call my husband a half an hour prior to arriving, and then we were like 5 minutes away from home, and my husband still had to unhook the dryer, the old one, so they could take it and they could bring in the new one. So yeah, that was a rush to get it done because my husband got the call that they were 10 minutes away and we weren't even done. And to do anything, probably for the next couple of days, is going, like, to run errands, it's going to take us longer because the roads are all ice. Literally, it's like a good thickness of ice, so it's very dangerous, so we have to drive very slow. So I finally took down all the Christmas decorations. I did it like at the end of the day today, and not at the end, like later afternoon. So by doing that, it made me feel a little better that I had that already done. Washed some floors. I haven't washed all of the floors yet. Either tomorrow I'll finish, or yeah, I'll probably would like to finish tomorrow. But so I don't have a dryer working, the new one. It was, my husband and I didn't think about that. It's a gas dryer, but we have to buy a piece to transition it to propane gas because that's what we have. We don't have, we have this propane gas. So yeah, we had no stores had it, no Lowe's, no Home Depot, and let's not talk about customer service when you try to call them and ask if they have that piece in store. It was just a hassle. I felt bad for my husband, but anyway, long story short, he ended up ordering online through Amazon, and we'll get it on Wednesday. So I just won't have a dryer until Wednesday, so you can just imagine on Wednesday the laundry I have to get done. So it's a good thing that I didn't film much all day, because looking at these lips, boy. But anyway, so let's not pay attention too much to that. I am right now watching This Crazy Life, and just catching up on YouTube. I didn't, I'm tired, so I figured, call it a night. I cooked dinner, we ate, everything is clean. Like I said, I just need to actually wash my kitchen and dining room floor, which tomorrow morning, while everyone's asleep, I'll probably end up doing that. But that'll be it. And I didn't put all my decorations back because I want to change a few things around. So yeah. And what else? That's about it. So yeah, I do have, by now you probably have seen it, that I inserted a few clips of me taking down a few trees. So that is done. And the plan for tomorrow, I'd like to go and get some bins. I'm starting to get my planner organized, to get my home organized. I really need to get closets, drawers, bathroom cabinets. I really need to get my home organized, and it's going to start either drawers or closets one at a time. And so tomorrow I am going to let me use the light from, there you go, the laptop. Tomorrow I'm supposed to be going and get some storage organization, you know what I mean, bins. And I'm supposed to go with my daughter-in-law Jessica. So yeah, we're excited because she's going to be filming videos. She's also new to YouTube, and I'm excited that she is doing that because she loves doing it too. So we're both going and we'll both be filming. So it'll be interesting because she also wants to do that, organize her home. So I like watching other people's videos of what they do and get tips and ideas. So if I like to watch that, I want to share what I do. So, and hopefully I can motivate some of you to do it. All right, so I just wanted to turn on the camera and say that today there wasn't much filming, and the reason why. So, but yeah, I'm just relaxing. I'm in bed. I'm gonna turn on the TV, go, back and forth, and watch TV, watch YouTube videos, and that's about it. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. I know you want to go outside. You little rascal at this time. Not even 6:30. I'm awake this early because my dog woke me up, which is fine because I fell asleep early. I needed to sleep. I haven't been sleeping well the past few days, so yeah. Hope you're all doing okay. I'm going to make my coffee. I woke up feeling good today, so it's going to be a good day. And yeah, so plan to vlog quite a bit today so I can have it for you guys. Yeah, alright, so let me get my coffee ready. Here's my Sunday morning coffee. There you go. Hope you're all doing well. I have sort of a busy day today, but a good busy day. My house looks so empty. Let me show you guys how empty my house looks. No tree, no decorations, and let's see if this focuses. look at that. That chair doesn't belong there. We're taking that chair out of there. And I haven't put any, let's see if it focuses, decorations there, because over on the table I'm just keeping, there's a candle and a little round, what do I call it, tray, mirror tray. And because there's a few ideas I want to get done this month, so I don't want to put things back. And then, why isn't this thing focusing? Sorry. Let's see if this focuses. I don't know. We're gonna play a focusing game today. But yeah, so I don't want to put it back and then take it out, put it back and then take it out. Alright, let me stop with the camera and figure out what the issue is with this camera. Oh my gosh, it is so cold. Let me show you guys how cold it is. -2. My car stayed outside of the garage, no big deal. We had to use the garage for to try to put all the Christmas totes in there and put it up in the attic, so we didn't feel like coming outside in the cold and put the car in. But let me tell you, it is cold. Not that the car in the garage would have made any difference. I don't know why I said that. But anyway, it is really cold. I am going to the grocery store. It's 7:51. Going to, oh my gosh, my eyebrows are all over the place. I'm going to go get a few things from the grocery store that I need for the weekend for lunch today. And then, what else was I supposed to do? I don't know. Yeah, grocery store now. I'm starting to get a little headache, so I feel like I need to hydrate myself. That's all I don't get it. I drink so much water and I always feel like I'm somewhat a bit dehydrated. I don't get it. But anyway, so I already started drinking some water, and yeah, it's cold. Alright, let me get to the grocery store so I can come back home. You guys, it is so cold. I'm done with my grocery shopping and trying to push the carriage. The way the parking lot is, it's a struggle. Let me show you guys. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let's see if it will focus. Probably not, because this camera today is, okay. So can you guys see how bad it is? So this is how, there you go. So this is how the whole parking lot is. So it's ice. I mean, they did salt the area. They treated the parking lot, thank goodness, but trying to push the carriage or pull, it's a struggle, but I got it done, especially with 3 cases of water. But I did it. It's so cold that your bones on your face, on your body hurt. So I'm just going to stop at the bakery, pick up some bread, and head home. See you guys there. Alright guys, we are back in the car. We have Jessica, have Shelby, and we have Toby. Toby had to join the ladies. We're going to the dollar store and start our journey to organizing our homes. So, and we're starting off with the kitchen. We're going to go get some things for the kitchen. So let's go.